Okay, so did you know what? So I went to the store and bought pink jeans. But then when I came back and wanted to put them in my closet, I found out that I had the same jeans and the same color. Oh, that's so funny. Is anyone crying? 'Cause they can buy my new squishy foods for only $4. And it comes with an extra soda. And so, is anyone around here? Anyone? Anyone? Hello? 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 Free soda comes with $4 extra jumbo sweets. Squishy treats. This is such a hard job when there's annoying kids right behind me. Hello, unicorn? You can't hear me. Hello, get out. Are you coming? Well, did you know there's a new pool coming out? Well, not really. Well, there is. Well, do you want to help me build it? I am a constructionist. I can help. Well, before we do, can we buy one of those $4 extra soda jumbo squishy treats that are soft in those squishies from Orb? Well, that's okay, yes. Okay. Squishy treats with extra soda. Oh, my first customers. Can you stand up in a line? Okay, but we were gonna get this. Well, it's a store. Okay, so what would you like? I'll like the jumbo cupcake squishy. And one soda, please, and a jumbo heart cupcake. Taylor, can you please get it? Okay. Coming right up. This is your cupcake. And your sweetheart. Ugh, such a terrible and embarrassing accident. Why did I fall? Well, I think that's why I'm sleepy. Well, that doesn't look like she's gonna get customers soon when she's sleeping. What? There's no pool. Empty limited edition. To be sleeping in there. Everyone already cares about that pool. No one cares about me. Mwah. Look, my hair is so gold and I'm perfect because I'm pink and gold and I'm a soccerist. Hey, little ones? Yeah? Come, do you want to help build a pool? Yeah, sure. Well, my name's Little Foxy, but I went to the makeovers and I have my hair golden. Do you like it? And also I color change. Who are you? Well, I'm Springs and I color change. And, well, I just got some clips a few days ago. I am Show Baby, and have been to the unicorn salon, and they made me a unicorn, and I'm golden on the side, and I'm really pretty, so that's all I needed. Well, before we build it, well, there's new soft and slow squishies that are super squishy by Orb. And they're so cute and super squishy. I'll rather buy these. And I got these for $4. So they're super cool and super pretty. They're not like an ordinary bar squishy. And I'm gonna do a squishy package video really soon. And yeah. Well, do you wanna make a slime pool? That sounds awesome. I'm Foxy. And that's my little sister there you're talking to. It's a really hot day. I might really want to go, too. That's why I kind of put on my invisible swimsuit. And that girl that used to be always perfect, she isn't perfect anymore. And I went to the makeovers with my little sister, and they painted my hair gold. Do you like it? That's exactly what your little sister said. Well, I am her big sister. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so now we're going to just make a slime pool. So I have a bowl, and my friends here, little Big Foxy, Little Foxy, and 2 Shopkins, and then Show Baby as a unicorn, and Spins will help me. Okay, so first, all we'll need to do is add some glue. I have my glue here, and you might not see it right now, but I'm going to add it in. Needs to be pretty big for all the dolls to fit in. So I think that's enough glue because I added a lot. Okay, now it's just going to go a little there. Do you want to make it a pink pool? Because that would be really cool. So I'm going to just add some pink to it. I might have left my spoon. So I'm just going to add my activator really quick. And I just added Stay Flow. So I might need to mix with this type of spoon. It's really activating up. This is really cool, but it's turning really pink too. Okay. Let's mix this in. This is super cool, and I think my friends would really like to play in this. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just gonna add some
Wait, I was in the video.
activator.
Hey, I was in the video.
So now I'm gonna add some more Stay Flow. And if you heard any noises, that was just my sister, and she was kind of interrupting. So now it's activating. You might on Stay Flow. You might need to add a little more. So I think my friend here, ooh, it's pink, would really like it. And Foxy is already making it. Okay. This is sliming up. Instead of activating up, I like to say sliming up. So, yeah. Okay. It's gonna be a super cool pool for them. And since it's new, I think everyone would like to come. So soon I'll do a really huge squish package. And I think you will like that. So let's try to hit like 100 subscribers and 100 likes. And comment down below if you like the video and if you ever got a soft and so squishy. Okay, my hands are a little dirty from the slime. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit more Stay Flow because it's still not ready, y'all. So if there's any disturbances or the camera fell, well, that's just my sister. So, yeah. Okay. My hands are really dirty, as maybe you can see that. So, I'm just going to try to add Stay Flow. I'll just wash the handle later. Okay. Now it's even more activating up. It's almost done. Sorry if this might take a lot of time. It's just that you never know how much stay slow you need to add. So that's why I just add it from tiny heats. Okay, this is fun. I'm going to get it from the sides. Okay.